Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve network on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve network on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein. Then you can go to the first app and you can click OK. Here will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.